Have you ever wondered which free AI tools are actually worth your time? With so many options today, it's hard to know where to start. In this video, we're counting down the top 3 free AI tools everyone should try in 2026. These tools can help you write faster, learn new skills, boost productivity, and even grow your business. Let's get started. At number 3, we have Claude, developed by Anthropic. Claude is one of the best AI assistants for writing, brainstorming, and analyzing long documents. Many users love Claude because it provides detailed and natural responses, making it a great choice for students, writers, researchers, and professionals. If you often work with articles, reports, or creative projects, Claude is definitely worth trying. Coming in at number 2 is Gemini by Google. Gemini is a powerful AI assistant that integrates with Google's ecosystem. It helps with research, coding, content creation, and answering complex questions. It's especially useful for people who already use Google products. Whether you're studying, working, or managing online projects, Gemini can help you save time and become more productive. And taking the number 1 spot is ChatGPT. ChatGPT has become one of the most popular AI tools globally due to its incredible versatility. You can use it to write content, generate ideas, learn new topics, create business plans, summarize information, and even assist with coding. Whether you're a student, content creator, freelancer, or entrepreneur, ChatGPT can significantly improve your productivity and workflow. So, our top 3 free AI tools everyone should try in 2026 are: number 3, Claude; number 2, Gemini; and our number 1 pick, ChatGPT. Which of these AI tools have you tried? And which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tools, digital products, and online business content from digital product Nexus. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.